So what do you believe in, arranged marriage or love marriage, and why?
I believe in love marriage because it's not possible to marry a person, you just met. You have to get to know them before you marry. So, yeah.
I agree.
Love marriage. Arrange come love? I can say both. I believe in marriages.
So you want to satisfy your mom, parents and your spouse.
I don't believe in marriage as of now. When the time flies, maybe I will. Yeah.
What will you choose, arranged marriage or love marriage, and why?
Definitely love marriage, not an arranged marriage.
Why?
Because in love marriages, I think you know the person from the start and then you start building up the relation. It's not like you met him like 6 months before and then you get into a full-time commitment kind of relationship.
So if you had an option to choose love marriage or arranged marriage, what would you choose and why?
I'm getting married next year and already it's love marriage, so
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, I would obviously go for love marriage, but right now I'm single, so still looking for love. So let's wait and watch, yeah.
So both up for love marriage.
Yeah, she's getting married and I'm like looking for one.
Okay. What do you believe in, arranged marriage or love marriage, and why?
Definitely love marriage. I mean, there is in arrange you're like you go with this perspective of like trying to how do I say that? Trying to like that guy. You go with that mindset. But in love marriage you can like fuck around, play around. I'm sorry.
I prefer love come arranged marriage.
Love come arranged marriage. Okay. So you want to satisfy the guy and your parents, correct? I think no. Do you believe in arranged marriage or love marriage, and why? What do you believe in?
I believe in both actually because it matters on the persons who are getting married.
Okay.
Yeah. And
So
the
you-
understanding.
Okay.
Yeah.
What will you choose, arranged marriage or love marriage, and why?
I prefer both love and arranged marriage.
Any specific reason?
There are some negatives in love marriage as well as in arranged marriage. So I prefer both.
If you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what will you choose and why?
First of all, it's not about love or arrange. We need to have the bond between the both people, and later the parents support everything. So mostly I've choose love marriage. If it is okay, arranged marriage also, but the bond I need, like for me it's the bond. Like both the parents and everything, like what the zone I have came from and what the zone he have come, everything under the bond, right? So that's the thing. I'm yet to think about the marriage because I'm not yet that age to get married.
What do you believe in? Do you believe in arranged marriage or love marriage, and why?
Love marriage. Because arranged marriage is a thing that mostly people 1 or 2 months or 3 months they know each other. But in love marriage we know the bit and single things what the couple likes and what they dislike. So for me that's the most amazing thing.
I agree.